Good morning, students. How are you all? Rajesh, how are you? Okay. So, today means in our last class I taught you about the area of a triangle, but in that class we did some problem upon the formula area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So, in our previous class area of triangle, I said area of triangle in my previous class we did it is half into base into height. If base will be given, height will be given, then we can find the area of the triangle. And area of an equilateral triangle, that is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square, a means side. That means equilateral triangle, what are called equilateral triangles? Yes, the triangle in which all the three sides are equal are called the equilateral triangles. And to find the area of equilateral triangle, it is formula is root 3 by 4 a square. But today we will discuss about another formula which is called Heron's formula. And this Heron's formula, this will be applicable when there will be all the three sides of a triangle will be given, we can use this formula. Suppose a triangle is given here, height has not given. Suppose it is one side A, it is another side B, and this is another side C. So, Heron's formula, it says, so as per Heron's formula, what it says, what is this formula? Now, this is equal to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is called the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means perimeter का आधा, and इसका वैल्यू है a plus b plus c by 2, that means perimeter का आधा. So, by using this formula we can find the area of a triangle. Now, I am taking few examples. Suppose a triangle, by using this formula I am keeping it on the board because you can see it and you can understand it, and when I will give some question then you will do it. Now, I am taking one question. One triangle is there. Suppose a triangle has given to you. Suppose a triangle ABC is given to you, and the three sides of this triangle are 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. These are the three sides, and it is asked find the area of this triangle. Area will be how much? We will find it. So, first to find, we will use this formula. So, here S is equal to this plus this plus this, a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c by 2, that is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, or that is equal to 42 by 2, or that is equal to 21 centimeter. Semi perimeter is 21. But this yes 21 centimeter. So, S value we got. So, therefore, area is equal to, directly we can apply that formula. Area is equal to root over S means 21 into S minus A means any one side you can take A, any one side B and any one side C. So, it is S minus A means 21 minus 13, 21 minus 13 into S minus B means 21 minus 14 into S minus C means 21 minus 15. So, serially to each side you take. Now, this is equal to, it is 21 minus 13, that is equal to 8. So, 8 into this is your 7 and this is your 6. Now, here what you will do, here if you will multiply all these things and you will find the square root, that will be a lengthy process. So don't go in that way. Better way I am saying you, that is your, here I have a 7. So I can split it into 7 into 3 because 21 is 7 into 3. Now 8 means I can write it is 2 into 2 into 2. Now another 7 is there, so keep it 7. And 6 is there, so I can write it is 2 into 3. Now what you will do, out of 2 7 you bring 1 7. Out of 2 3 you bring another 3. Out of these 2 you bring a 1. And from these 2 you bring another 2. So it is 7 into 3, 21, 20, 42, it is 84. 84 what? Area? It is cm square. So this is the area of the triangle whose 3 sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Write quickly, I will go to the next question. Similarly, here find the area of another question, write quickly. Okay, over. Very good. So next question, if perimeter is given directly, perimeter is given and 2 sides are given. Here find the area of a triangle whose 2 sides given and perimeter given. So question number 2, I am not writing question here, directly on the book you can get the question. So here another triangle is there, you can say, you can name it PQR. Here the perimeter given, perimeter is given, that is equal to 32 centimeter. So perimeter it is equal to given 32 centimeter and other 2 sides are given, one is 8 centimeter and another is 11 centimeter. Third side you can find out. So 11 plus 8, that is equal to 19. So this will be 32 minus this plus this means 19, that is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter, that means the 3 sides you got. Now perimeter is this one, so semi perimeter is, it is perimeter by 2. So here similarly semi perimeter for this question, so here S is equal to perimeter which is directly given, that by 2, or that is equal to 32 by 2, or that is equal to 16 centimeter. So therefore area is equal to, that same formula you can apply. Now it is S means 16 into S minus A means 16 minus 8. I am taking first 8. So 16 minus 8, directly I am writing. So it's 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Then next 16 minus 11, that is equal to 5. Then next 16 minus 13, that is equal to 13. Now this is equal to, it is root A, 16 we can write it as 8 into 2. Again another 8, another 5, another 13. Now here nothing common is there only except these 2 8s. So from these 2 8 I brought out a single 8, but the rest of the things they are not in any pair. These 2, it is a single 2, single 5, single 13. So if they would have in pairs, then I could have bring the means 1 1 from means outside the square root symbol, but here only single. So those things will be kept, 2 into 5 and this one, that is equal to root over 130. So 8 root 130 cm square. If in question it will be asked, give me in a decimal form, then this root over 130 you can get it 16 into 8 into 5. Yes. Is it correct? It is 13 root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here I did the wrong. It is not 13. What you are not saying means you have no attention towards the board, no? Whatever I am writing, just simply you are just taking it down in your copy. Are here S minus A S into S minus A, S minus is 16 minus 8, that is 8, 16 minus 11, that is equal to 5, here 16 minus 13, that is equal to, yes, 3, but I wrote 13 and sitting silently you are listening all this, so it is 2 into 5 into 3, that is equal to root 30. So 8 root 30 cm square, that is the area of the triangle. Now another question, find the perimeter of a triangular field. The perimeter of triangular field is 450 meters. Next question, write quickly. Next question, a triangular field is there. A triangular field is there and A, B, C. Its perimeter given. Perimeter means this outer boundaries. So this perimeter is given and perimeter is given, that is equal to, perimeter is given, perimeter of the perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meters. So its perimeter is given 450 meter. It is another question. So your perimeter given 450 meter, and what other things given? The sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. So here sides ka jo ratio, sides are in ratio what? Now it is 13:12:5. What does it mean, this ratio 13:12:5? Means if one side will be multiple of 13, one side will be 13 parts, other will be 12 parts, and other will be 5 parts. Whenever the ratio term will be there, a factor must be multiplied to get the exact value. So here you can write, let the factor of ratio be x. So therefore, if one side be 13x, second side will be 12x, and third side will be 5x. So 13x, 12x, 5x, but its perimeter given 450. So therefore 13x plus 12x plus 5x, that is equal to 450, or 30x is equal to 450, implies x is equal to 450 by 30, or that is equal to 15. That means x value we got, that is equal to 15. So after getting the x value, we can get the exact length of every side. So this is equal to 13 into x, means 13 into 15, or that is equal to 195 meter. And this side, it is 12 into x, means 12 into 15, 12 into 15, that is equal to 180 meter. Multiply 12. Here 15 into 5, that is equal to 75 meter. So we got one is 195 meter and other, that is 180 meter, and the third. Now we got all the three sides, but again the work is there. It is asked to find the area of the triangle. Till now our work has not completed. So again we will continue to find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is same formula. So area is equal to root over same formula S. So here perimeter is given 450. So therefore semi perimeter will be equal to 450 by 2, or that is equal to 225 meter. First you find what is semi perimeter. Then three sides. Now I got all the three sides. Now semi perimeter value, S value, I got it. Now I apply the formula to find the area. So S means 225 into S minus A means 225 minus 75 into S minus B means 225 minus 180. Then S minus C means 225 minus 195. So now this is equal to, keep it, this 225 into, after subtraction it will be 50. Then after subtraction it will be 45. After subtraction it will be 30. So now we can split it into 225, that is equal to 25 into 9. Then 50 means it is 10 into 5. 45 means it is 9 into 5. 9 into 5. 30 means it is 3 into 10. So 225, it is 50, this is 45, it is 30. Now, this 25 into 9, okay, then it's all right. So root over 25 we can get, that is your 5. From this double 9 I can bring a single 9. From this double 10 I can bring a single 10. From this double 5 I can bring a single 5. But another 3 is remaining. Another 3 is remaining. Again, see, is it correct or not? It is, this minus is 175, it is, it's correct or not? 220. Here I did the wrong. Here it is equal to, here it will be 150. Here it is 150. Nobody is saying anything to me. Whatever I am writing and you are, means I am finding the wrong where I did. Again I am just writing it. You should say no. So here it is 150. So this is your 25 into 9. Here it is 25 into 6. Here it is equal to 9 into 5. And here 5 into 6. Now from this double 25, 125 I brought, double 9, 19 I brought, double 6, 16 I brought, and this double 5, 15 I brought. So finally multiply and you will get the answer, and that answer it will be 6750 square meter. So that will be the answer. So now you, here in the question, same, everything, all the things are the same way it is written. One final question, last question I am doing, then I will, homework will be given to you and you will do at your house and you can ask me your doubt. The final question here, the final question is one figure here, one figure has given as in the given in book. So it is A, B, C, and this is your 90 degree. It has asked find the area of this shaded portion. This is given 12 centimeter. This is given 16 centimeter. This is given 52 centimeter. This is given 48 centimeter. And it is asked to find the area of this shaded portion. Okay, so here what we will do, if we can find the 16, 12, yes, if we can find the total area, if we will subtract, if this area will be subtracted, then we can get the shaded area. So first our intention, first we have to get the total area by using the Heron's formula. Now you see, we don't know what is this one, this side. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find it. So by Pythagoras theorem, this AB is in hypotenuse, you see it is in hypotenuse, just opposite to the right angle. So AB is equal to root over 16 square plus 12 square, that is equal to 16 square means it is 256 plus here it is 12 square 144. So this is equal to root over 400, or that is equal to 20 centimeter. So this is your 20 centimeter you got. Now use the Heron's formula. We will use the Heron's formula. So S is equal to this plus this by 2. So 20 plus 52 plus 48 by 2. 60. So semi perimeter we got 60. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to same formula, root over S means 60 into S minus A means 60 minus 20, that is equal to 40, S minus B 8, S minus C means it is 12. So now this is equal to, here we can write it is 12 into 5, and 40 we can write 8 into 5, then another 8 already there, keep it like that, then 12 we can write it is 6 into 2. So now this is equal to, this is here 12 is there, now here keep it as 12 because another 12 is there already. So from this pair of 12 you bring 12, this pair of 5 you bring 5, this pair of 8 you bring 8. So this is equal to 480 cm square. That is the area of full triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABD, area of triangle ADB is equal to, you can use half base into height. So half into base, if I will take this is the base, then this is the height. So half into 12 into 16 by 2 it is cancelled 8. So this is equal to 96 cm square. So area of triangle ADB is equal to this one. So we need this shaded portion. So from the total area, so therefore therefore shaded area is equal to full area means 480 minus this area means 96. यहीं पे माइनस कर दो, it is 8. So this is your answer. So the area of the shaded part is this one. Okay then. So now bell rang. So today this class is finished now for today, and wait for the next class. Hope you will do your homework properly. This exercise only all the even numbers, only in all the even numbers in your exercise. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Up to 12 questions are there. So you do 6 questions only even numbers and ask me your doubt. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.